Did you know golf's return to the Olympics turned into one of the sport's biggest embarrassments? After being gone for 112 years, golf finally made it back to the Olympics in 2016. Everyone was excited to see the world's best players compete for gold medals. But then disaster struck. One by one, golf's biggest stars started dropping out. Rory McIlroy said no. Jason Day pulled out. Dustin Johnson withdrew. Jordan Spieth backed away too. They all blamed the Zika virus in Rio. But many people thought they just didn't care about Olympic golf. The men's field became so weak that players nobody knew were suddenly competing for Olympic medals. These should have been the sport's elite athletes, but instead, we got golfers most fans had never heard of. Golf's big comeback moment turned into a total flop. The sport looked selfish and uninterested in Olympic glory. This mess hurt golf's future in the Olympics and showed how hard it is for individual sports to balance Olympic dreams with their regular money-making tours.